Now that I have a press, I can show you how to replace the string of my crossbow, but the method is applicable to many, if not all, the compound crossbows, and even for the vertical bows. If you are interested in making your own crossbow press, be sure to check my previous video. I'll add the link down in the description and here in the upper right corner. In order to replace the string, first of all you have to clearly figure out how the string is wrapped around the pulleys. In my case, this is the path of the string. It is crucial not to get confused with cables that follow different paths. Once you are confident about this point, place the crossbow in the press and start applying some pressure to the bow. When the string is loose enough, take it away from the first pulley, and then from the other. Now you can take the new string and replace the old one, following the opposite procedure. I put the same string back on as it is still in perfect conditions. Then double check that it is in the right position, as well as the cables, and start to open the press. Keep on checking the position of string and cables in the pulleys till the pressure is released completely. And we are done. We have successfully replaced the string of our crossbow. Be sure to check my other crossbow videos. If you want to support the channel, hit the subscribe button and give me a like for more contents. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, thanks for watching.